The iKonn Toto with ELLO Mini is a new recessed tank style setup, available in 5 stylish colors for your choice. Its all-new HW series coils are designed for great vaping experience with ultimate flavor. The new ELLO Mini features easy retractable top fill system and comes with optional 5.5 ml version and 2 ml version. With a compact size, the iKonn Toto is also very comfortable to hold and carry. Alright, let's pick the black-red one to get it started. First, drip a few drops of e-liquid directly into the coil to make it fully saturated before first use. Screw the top cap with glass tube and mouthpiece on. Then, slide the mouthpiece back to reveal the fuel pot and fill e-liquid in. Screw the ELLO Mini onto the atomizer adapter and screw them together onto the iKonn Toto. The airflow can be adjusted by turning the airflow control ring. Simply slide the cover up to occasionally check e-liquid consumption. If it's the ELLO Mini XL, you can check e-liquid consumption directly through the window. Then, how to power it on? Just unscrew the battery cap and put one high-rate 18650 battery in. Positive port down and negative port up. The fire button is cleverly hidden behind the cover. 5 clicks of fire button to power it on or off. And keep holding the fire button to enjoy the vape.